Welcome to the JWK show. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys are looking for a place to trade XRP and cryptos, check out our sponsor, crypto exchange BITUNIX. Link is in the description below. We have new updates from XRP Insider Crypto Maniac 101. We had 2024 was expansion, 2025 was euphoria, and now we had 2026 as structure. If you don't know the difference, you'll feel it. And so this year will be the biggest year for crypto, as we do have mass adoption coming in for stablecoins, tokenization, blockchain technology, and we do have the implementation of Ripple Rails coming in, and that is essentially XRP Ledger, XRP becoming the infrastructure of the new global financial system. We have everything running on top of the XRP Ledger, stablecoins, tokenization, financial markets, Forex, and so on. And we also have the latest technical analysis as well, and that is Bitcoin's moment of truth. Do we reverse back, or do we have flag pull down, eyeing around 72,000 for invalidation? So we could see a rejection off of this trend line, this level, Bitcoin moving back down, or we could see a breakout of this trend line over here, and Bitcoin cryptos finally having that reversal, right? So this is the make it or break it moment for Bitcoin and cryptos. As of now, guys, we do have a buy signal on the 1 day time frame for XRP. XRP as of now trading at $1.40, and also a buy signal on the Bitcoin daily time frame as well. So this is a big indication of a reversal to possibly come in. Hopefully it plays out. What we have to see is a breakout for XRP from this trend line over here for XRP to move up even higher. As of now, we are seeing that rejection, and this trend line has been confirmed by the high and lows of the market structure as well. So this is a very accurate trend line. Now we do have Ripple following the price action of Amazon, XRP following Amazon stock in terms of price action. So next up, we should see this move coming in next, as Mr. Poole said, go up and never stop. And we do have from David Schwartz back on December 24, 2022, and that is all the elements are now taken. Google has earth, Apple has air, Amazon has fire, Ripple has water. So do we have Ripple becoming the next big company like Google, Apple, Amazon, XRP going parabolic, just like the Amazon stock? Now we do have a major XRP reset happening now. We have in the last 90 days. We have open interest bleeding out across every major platform. We have Binance minus 7.7 million XRP, Bybit minus 12 million XRP, and Kraken minus 8.3 million XRP. We have billions of dollars in speculative leverage getting wiped off the table. And when we have open interest contracting this hard across multiple platforms simultaneously, this means weekends are out and over-leveraged gamblers are gone. We do have a clean slate, and historically, this means that we should see reversal, a big move coming in, a big move being born. So this is very bullish for XRP's price action charts in the long term, and we do have smart money coming back in as we have XRP activity spiking as institutional appetite grows. We have from BitTrue a record spike in XRP activity as institutional appetite grows, recording a 212% increase in XRP spot purchase volumes, and this surge coincides with accumulation of XRP that's been ongoing from institutional investors since the launch of the XRP ETF. So this is another big sign of a big XRP pump reversal to come, as we do have, again, smart money entering back into XRP, and if XRP was going to go parabolic sometime in the future, then this wouldn't be happening. And we do have XRP attracting a net total of $1.1 billion in assets while recording positive total inflows weekly and negative outflows of only 5 days. So the XRP ETFs have been very bullish, accumulating a ton of XRP, accumulating a ton of liquidity. So bullish statement from leading crypto exchange BitTrue, and we do have plans to take advantage of this upcoming market shift by adjusting its short-term business strategy to position itself as a key liquidity hub for XRP Ledger utility with a greater commitment to increasing support for XRP We do have such as the RLUSD now being used as a base trading pair. So this means even more liquidity flowing into the RLUSD. We do have another big avenue being opened up to XRP and the RLUSD. Soon, the stablecoin to have a multi-billion-dollar market cap. And eventually, we will see the RLUSD becoming the biggest #1 stablecoin in the market. Now, if you guys watched the previous episode, we had a major crypto event occurring, and that is the expose of Jane Street manipulating the Bitcoin prices, suppressing the Bitcoin price, and also we have a ton of insider trading going on and causing the price of Terra Luna to collapse alongside their UST as well. And so ever since we have institutions and we have trading firms getting involved in the crypto market, we have the entire crypto market being manipulated. And so crypto was supposed to be the exits of that. We have a lot of corruption, manipulation, naked short selling happening in the regulated markets as well. And so crypto was supposed to be an escape, but instead we have the same casino built and the same house running the crypto market. So unfortunately, guys, we have manipulation still going on, although we do have less, as we do have Jane Street stopping their algos due to their shady activities being exposed. But as we said, it will continue to happen, and the only way we can win is by dollar cost averaging into XRP and by holding XRP in the long term, as we have the hyper elites, the 1% running everything, choosing XRP to succeed in the markets, which is why we are very bullish in XRP. And we have an update on the XRP ETFs. We have the XRP ETFs going absolutely insane today. Great performances, as we do have the XXRP up 16%. Also the XRPT up 16%. We also have XRPK, UXRP also up 15+% as well. So we have the XRP ETFs performing greatly. We have Grayscale also up 5% as well, which is great to see. And we do have the ETFs continuing to accumulate to gobble up the XRP supply, causing the supply shock. We have a major update from Canary Capital CEO as well, dropping something the market isn't ready for. That is XRP quietly absorbing capital while Bitcoin and ETH see outflows. Let's take a look at this from the Paul Barron Network.
Even though there's been outflows in Bitcoin and ETH, there's been constant inflows into XRP and HBAR. Those are the two primary. I mean, I would say XRP is probably 50%. Solana is probably 30%, and HBAR is 20%. You know, as far as like, you know, the majority of flows go. But we've just seen continuous inflows into those, even on some of the biggest days when the market's gone down, that have occurred this year, when Bitcoin ETFs have bled. We actually received inflows into XRP and HBAR on those days.
Right, so massive confirmation from the CEO himself of massive demand for XRP and HBAR. And of course, the big question of the day is, when will we see the XRP supply running out? When will we see that supply shock happening, as the XRP insiders have hinted at the Shane Ellis theory, a 3-digit XRP happening through a supply shock. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.